It's about time I use this collection from ColourPop. I had a broken arm when they sent me this collection, so please excuse me for the delay. This is going to be a two-part video. First part is just going to be focused on the eye look, which is the gorgeous palette we're going to be using. This ColourPop's Lost in Love palette. Can we talk about how beautiful this eyeshadow palette is? Like, I'm obsessed with it, and I cannot wait to do a full-on pink look, because that's what we're doing today. We're going to start out with this shade here. Shade Just Us. Outer edge of my eye, I'm going to stamp it, because stamping is really important. Tack that color on there. I'm gonna flick it up just slightly to start the blending process of this. Flicking it up a little bit also makes it easier to transition into another color, tacking that right onto the eyelid. Since this is a Valentine's Day collection, try to do a little heart right here. I'm gonna do it with this shade. I'm just gonna tap this portion on. I'm just putting some on the very bottom of the brush here. I'm using an angled brush. I'm going to start creating the little heart shape. We're going to be able to fix it then, so I'm not worried about looking perfect. Right now I'm just kind of doing the outline portion of it. I'm going to have it like fling out a little bit. Do a light blend. I have a plan for the center of the heart, so that way it really pops. Kind of just have to work with it, unfortunately. It's coming together. So we have the basic heart shape on the eye. And then from there, I'm going to blend with a lighter pink Dibs, which is this pretty light pink here. I'm going to take it on this fluffy brush. Blend out a little bit of this light pink color here. Very delicately. I'm just going to continue the blending process. So using this light pink shade, and I'm going to blend in the middle here. Of course, you can't have a look without sparkles. Slowly spitting shade right in the center around the heart a little bit. To blend up here, I'm going to use the super light pink Ever and Ever, blending that out. And I'm going to bring it across here a little bit. That way it's all seamless and looks nice and pretty. I'm going to take the shade that we originally started with, the shade Just Us, add some more definition to the outer edge, and kind of flick it where that glitter is. I'm going to use the same brush and use the lighter pink shade Dibs. Add some more definition here. Blending is important. Now that the heart shape is done, I'm going to use the Really Much eyeshadow in the shade Forever Valentine. And I'm going to use that to fill inside the heart. Very delicately fill this in. You can see how blinding it is already. Here is this one eye completely done. I'm going to do the other eye. We'll see you in part 2 for the rest of the look.